Let me show you how my mom makes this buffalo cheese stuffed chicken. First, butterfly 4 chicken breasts. Now you're going to season both sides really good. She sprinkled on salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika, and then she rubbed it all in. Once she had both sides seasoned, she flipped them back over. She made a filling out of cream cheese, homemade ranch dressing, Colby Jack. Let me try that again. Colby Jack cheese and hot sauce. Chili de árbol is my mom's favorite hot sauce. Once she had it all mixed together, she filled each chicken breast with it. Then she put them each in a cast iron skillet. She poked some holes in each one. You can use a meat tenderizer for this or a fork. Then she squirted some Duke's mayo on each one and then rubbed it all in. She baked them at 400 degrees for 35 minutes and then drizzled on some ranch and hot sauce. Delicious!